Hi there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome to another episode of Gadget Love. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now, thanks. You don't want to miss out on the latest tech updates and exclusive offers. Today, we're going to shine the spotlight on a gadget that's making waves in the tech world, the Tecno Camon 30. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of Tecno Camon 30 and see what this gadget has to offer. So, what makes the Tecno Camon 30 a must-have gadget? Let's find out. Diving right in, the design of the Tecno Camon 30 is a real game-changer. With a sleek, streamlined body and a high-resolution 6.78-inch display, this device is as stylish as it is functional. The screen offers a vivid and immersive viewing experience, taking your movie marathons and gaming sessions to a whole new level. Now let's talk about the crown jewel, the camera. The Tecno Camon 30 boasts a quad camera setup at the back, led by a 50-megapixel main sensor. This camera setup captures stunning, detailed images and videos in any lighting condition, putting many of its competitors to shame. Selfie enthusiasts will appreciate the 50-megapixel front camera that captures clear, vibrant selfies, even in low light. Next up, battery life, a feature that truly sets the Tecno Camon 30 apart. With a 5,000 mAh battery, this device can easily last a day and a half on a single charge, even with heavy usage. No need to lug around a power bank or hunt for a charging port midday. Performance-wise, the Tecno Camon 30 doesn't disappoint. It's powered by an octa-core processor and comes with 8 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and lag-free gaming. From browsing social media to editing videos, this device handles it all with ease. But the Tecno Camon 30 isn't just about the basics. It also comes with unique features like the iOS 14, Tecno's custom user interface that offers a seamless, intuitive user experience. Plus, with a reliable fingerprint sensor and face recognition, your data is always secure. When compared to its predecessors and similar gadgets in the market, the Tecno Camon 30 stands tall. It offers a blend of design, performance, and battery life that is hard to match at its price point. This device is more than just a smartphone. It's a gadget that caters to all your tech needs, whether you're a professional, a student, or a tech enthusiast. Clearly, the Tecno Camon 30 is a powerhouse packed with features that can elevate your tech experience. Now let's talk about the user experience. After all, what good are all these features if they don't translate to a great user experience? When it comes to the Tecno Camon 30, using it is as breezy as a walk in the park. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, designed to cater to both the tech-savvy and those who are not as familiar with technology. The icons are easy to identify, and the settings are straightforward to navigate. You don't need to be a tech whiz to operate this gadget. The overall performance is nothing short of impressive. Thanks to the powerful processor and the 8 GB ample RAM, the Tecno Camon 30 runs smoothly even when multitasking. Whether you're browsing the internet, streaming your favorite shows, or playing high-end games, this device can handle it all without breaking a sweat. The battery life is another aspect that enhances the user experience. With a full charge, the Tecno Camon 30 can easily last a day of moderate to heavy use. This means you can stay connected, entertained, and productive all day without worrying about running out of juice. When it comes to photography, the Tecno Camon 30 doesn't disappoint either. The camera app is easy to use, and the pictures come out crisp and vibrant. Whether you're capturing memories or creating content, this phone has got you covered. The Tecno Camon 30 not only boasts of great features, but also ensures a smooth and enjoyable user experience. Let's do a quick recap of what we've discussed. We delved into the features of the Tecno Camon 30, a gadget that certainly packs a punch. From its sleek design to the impressive camera quality, it's a device that caters to the needs of the modern tech enthusiast. We also explored the user experience, which by all accounts is top-notch. The Tecno Camon 30 offers a smooth, responsive interface that makes navigating through various applications a breeze. And let's not forget the battery life. With a device like this, you're equipped to handle all your daily tasks without worrying about charging on the go. Now, we love hearing from you. So don't be shy to leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you as excited about the Tecno Camon 30 as we are? That's it for today's episode on the Tecno Camon 30. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates and exclusive offers. Leave your comments below and let us know what you think about the Tecno Camon 30.